Teachers in Cholocho were reportedly brutally assaulted during a union gathering on Saturday, sparking outrage and raising concerns about growing political tensions and the safety of educators. Teachers brutally assaulted over constitution debate meeting in Cholocho. A RT used accuses authorities of escalating violence against educators amid tensions over constitutional changes. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. In a press statement released Monday, ART user described the incident as part of what it called increasing government violence against education workers. The recent disruption of a union meeting in Chilocho, where our members were brutally assaulted, is not an isolated incident. It is an attempt by those in power to crush our resistance, the union said. The union linked this attack to broader political tensions surrounding discussions about constitutional changes that critics fear could extend the tenure of President mnangagwa beyond current limits. According to ARTUZ, the so-called 23rd Agenda threatens democratic safeguards and could undermine constitutional term limits. Beyond political concerns, ARTUZ reiterated long-standing economic grievances affecting teachers across Zimbabwe. The union is demanding a salary of $1,260 to restore purchasing power for educators, a genuine collective bargaining platform to replace the National Joint Negotiating Council, alignment of the Public Service Act with Section 65 of the Constitution, which guarantees workers' right to organize and strike. Union officials say teachers remain trapped in deep poverty while political elites continue to accumulate wealth. Doma developments are in Zimbabwe. Jonathan Ewa, my teachers, Pangwa Ire, they've voiced up. They've started with my meetings, but Pangwa tukona kuti their meeting was disrupted. Wakomana vakaya vakarohwa. Pana comment section menos of able to be on the page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.